Ridgid is the #1 name in press tools, the first choice of professionals who demand reliability, performance, and maximum productivity. Our latest innovation is built to impress, the RP340 press tool. Weighing in at just 8.3 pounds with battery, the RP340 is 17% lighter and 30% smaller than its predecessor, the RP330B. It offers the same powerful output of 7,200 pounds of force and an extended service interval of up to 42,000 press cycles between scheduled tool maintenance. That's 30% longer, allowing you to maximize uptime on the job site. With its compact size and powerful output, the RP340 is the industry's lightest pistol grip press tool with a 4-inch capacity. The RP340 features an easy-to-handle pistol grip design with a barrel that rotates 270 degrees for easy access to hard-to-reach connections. The RP340 utilizes Ridgid's standard series jaws, ring kits, and accessories, allowing you to make connections on more materials and more sizes than any other press tool. For pressing copper and stainless steel fittings from 1/2 inch to 2 inch, use Ridgid standard jaws and rings for ProPress. To press PEX fittings from 1/2 inch to 2 inch, use jaws for PureFlow. And 1/2 inch to 2 inch fittings for black iron pipe in schedules 5 through 40, use jaws and rings for MegaPress. For larger connections, 2.5 inch to 4 inch, use the XLC press rings for copper and stainless steel fittings, or the XL press rings for bronze fittings. Press rings also provide greater access to connections in extremely tight places. Once connected, the patented ball tip actuator jaw achieves an additional 180 degrees of tool rotation. Beyond pressing applications, the RP340 is capable of cutting 1.5 to 4 inch no-hub and surface weight soil pipe with a press snap soil pipe cutter. The RP340 is powered by the advanced lithium battery platform Ridgid employs for its entire press tool line. A corded AC power adapter is also available. With a full charge, the RP340 can deliver more than 400 presses, allowing you to work quickly and maximize productivity. Indicators alert you when the tool's battery is low, when it's operating outside acceptable temperatures, or when it needs service. Industry-exclusive bolt sensor technology ensures the jaw is securely connected to the tool before a press cycle is initiated. To confirm a good, consistent press every time, the RP340 incorporates an internal microprocessor that monitors performance through cycle completion. And of course, the RP340 is backed by the lifetime warranty that's standard on every Ridgid press tool, as well as 24/7 product and field support. Legendary reliability, ultimate productivity. The all-new RP340 lets you take on even the toughest jobs with confidence. To see why Ridgid's press tools are #1 in America, visit ridgid.com/pressing.